All right, fifth graders, we're moving on to the second part of our day, which is phonics. All right, and our goal today is work with a list of words. Remember, we're practicing sounding out multi-syllable words, and we're also focusing in on short vowel sounds. All right, so the words that we'll be working with today are accept, seldom, suggested, victim, contests, spreading, absent, culprit, dentist, unhealthy, nostril, publishing, witness, suspected, metric, and frantic. All right, so you can write the words on index cards or small sheets of paper. And I've also created a Word document in the Schoology folder with each of the words in their own square or box. So feel free to print that sheet off and cut those apart, or just look at it and copy the words on your own little sheets of paper. Okay, you'll need those slips of paper and your words for your work today. All right, so you're going to read the words. So once you have them written on the cards, go ahead, practice reading them. Practice spelling each word. You can do that by saying it aloud or writing it. Right, and then with the cards, you're going to sort the words into what short vowel sound do you hear. All right, there's an example here, and you can even draw this in your notebook. So the short A, which words did you find in your category or in that group? Which ones make a short E? Short I, O, or U? Okay, and if you need a quick reminder, remember A, the short sound is A for apple. Short E sound is E for Eddie. Short I is I for itchy. O for olive is aw. And the U sound is for upper. All right, and you'll sort those out into your categories. All right. Enjoy your work today and improving and becoming a better reader. See you tomorrow.